Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to harvest ginseng root. First, let's talk about timing. It's crucial to harvest ginseng when the plant is mature, typically at least 5 to 7 years old. You'll want to look for plants with 3 or more prongs, which signals they are ready. The ideal time is late summer or early fall, after the red berries have ripened and dropped their seeds. This ensures the plant has reproduced and the root has reached its full potential. Now let's discuss how to carefully dig up the root. You'll need a digging stick or a small trowel. Begin by gently loosening the soil in a wide circle, about 6 to 8 inches away from the main stem. This prevents accidental damage to the valuable root. Work slowly and patiently, gradually exposing the root system. The goal is to lift the entire root intact, minimizing any breakage, which preserves its quality and potency. Once you've successfully dug up your ginseng root, the next step is cleaning. It's important to be very gentle here. Use your fingers or a soft brush to carefully remove any loose soil. A key rule is to avoid washing the roots with water, as moisture can encourage mold and diminish the root's medicinal properties. Just gently brush off the dirt, being careful not to damage the delicate outer skin. Let them air dry a little before the next step. Finally, let's talk about drying and storing your precious ginseng. You'll want to dry the roots slowly in a well-ventilated space, ideally with good air circulation. Maintain a consistent temperature, somewhere between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This process usually takes 2 to 4 weeks until the roots are completely dry, feeling brittle and hard. Once fully dried, store your ginseng in airtight containers in a cool, dark place to preserve its quality for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.